Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afrina binti Hassan Ghani. The matrix number is 10DLS25F2500.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Najihah binti Zamri and my metric number is 10DLS25F2019.
My name is Zalika binti Razali. My metric number is 10DLS25F2005.
My name is Li Jiaxuan. My number metric is 10DLS25F2077.
My name is Nur Yasmin binti Zamri and my matrix number is 10DLF25F2007.
FedEx is founded by Frederick W. Smith. It's a global logistics company established in 1971. The company originates from the United States and is headquartered in Memphis, Tennessee. FedEx provides worldwide courier delivery transportation and supply chain services operating in many countries, including Malaysia.
Swift Haulage Berhad is a Malaysian logistics company founded by Dato' LR Dr. Muhammad Daud bin Muhammad Arif. The company is based in Malaysia with its headquarters in Selangor. Swift focuses on container haulage, transportation and logistics services within Malaysia and has grown into one of the leading local logistics providers. Environmental impacts of traditional logistics. For FedEx Malaysia, high energy consumption. It uses advanced logistic networks, including aircraft, trucks, and distribution centers that consume significant energy. And then for Swift Haulage, high energy consumption. The company has built eco-friendly warehouses with solar panel and energy saving system to reduce energy consumption. For FedEx Malaysia, number 2 is waste and packaging impact. The company encourages sustainable shipping solution and carbon tracking tool to help reduce environmental impact. And for Swift Haulage, waste and packaging impact, their green logistic initiative aim to reduce carbon footprint and improve environmental sustainability.
Next is how can the adoption of alternative fuels transfer in logistics sector? In FedEx Malaysia, first one is reducing carbon emissions. Using alternative fuel like electric vehicle and biofuels help reduce carbon emissions and air pollution, making logistic operations more environmentally friendly. Second is increasing delivery efficiency. Electric vehicles are quicker and smoother, making them suitable for city deliveries, especially in areas with traffic restriction or noise limits. In Swift Haulage Berhad, first one is reducing environmental impact. Alternative fuels such as electric power, hydrogen, and biofuel produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional diesels. These help logistic companies reduce pollution and support sustainability goals. Second is lowering long-term operating costs. Although alternative fuels vehicles may have higher emissions costs, they often require less maintenance and use cheaper energy sources, leading to long-term savings.
Today, I would like to present about challenges faced when implementing green logistics. FedEx faces infrastructure gaps, which is FedEx faces infrastructure issue, especially the lack of charging stations in Malaysia, which makes it difficult to use electric vehicles for long distance deliveries. FedEx also faces regulatory alignment. To another challenge is aligning global sustainability standards with local regulation, as local facilities may not fully support advanced green technologies. While Swift Logistics face high initial costs. The main challenge is the high initial cost of investing in green vehicles, which can affect their financial stability. Swift Logistics also face shortage of expertise. In addition, There is a shortage of skilled workers who can manage and maintain green logistics. To address these challenges, both companies focus on balancing cost, efficiency, and sustainability. For FedEx company, AI route optimization, which is FedEx use AI to optimize delivery routes, which helps reduce fuel cost and lower carbon emissions. FedEx also have global procurement, which is they also benefit from global purchasing power to obtain green technology at a lower cost. While for Swift Logistics is eco-driving. Swift focus on eco-driving program to train drivers to drive more efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Swift Logistics also have asset upgrading. They also upgrade their vehicle gradually instead of replacing everything at once to reduce costs.
Packaging innovation in green logistics, FedEx Malaysia use of sustainable packaging materials to promote recyclable and eco-friendly packaging materials to reduce environmental impact from shipping parcel. And for swift haulage, uh, it is to encourage sustainable packaging in warehouse and logistic operation to minimize waste during storage and distribution. Second is reusable packaging system. Some logistic solutions support reusable packaging for business shipment to reduce single-use packaging waste in swift haulage. In container and warehouse logistics, reusable pallets and container are used to minimize packaging waste.
Now I'm going to present about the role of government policies and incentives. It provides financial supports for green updates. The impacts on FedEx Malaysia is the GITA and GITE tax incentives directly reduces FedEx annual tax liability. This saved capital is reinvested into their digital infrastructure, such as electronic data interchange (EDI), ensuring operational efficiency without straining their corporate cash flow. Next, the impact on swift haulage is these financial incentives provide the necessary relief for Switch to establish and fund their dedicated green logistic division. This ensures that their specialized sustainability unit has the consistent financial backing required for long-term green projects. The next point is helps overcome high costs of green assets. So the impact on FedEx Malaysia is the government measures like import duty, exemptions for EVs allow FedEx to acquire their fleet of 41 Lexus E-Deliver 3 electric vans at a much lower cost. This bridges the price gap between traditional diesel vans and expensive electric alternatives for urban delivery. Next is the impact on swift haulage. Since heavy-duty electric trucks are significantly more expensive than diesel trucks, this incentive enables Swift to be a pioneer in the industry. It allows them to introduce Malaysia first Volvo electric trucks without bearing an extreme capital expenditure burden. Government policies and incentives ensures fair play and standards. Impact on FedEx Malaysia in this case is government regulatory frameworks ensure that FedEx is not at a competitive disadvantage when investing in green technology. It forces all courier players to follow the same environmentally friendly delivery standards, preventing a price war based on a dirty energy. Next is impacts on swift haulage. This creates a level playing field in the heavy hauling market. It ensures that Swift's investment in a premium green logistic is recognized and protected, preventing other hauliers from gaining an unfair cost advantage by continuing to use old polluting fleets. So here is the green initiatives by FedEx Malaysia. First is the expansion of electric vehicle fleet. FedEx is actively increasing the number of electric vehicles in a Malaysian operation to replace conventional fuel-powered vans, aiming to significantly reduce carbon emissions during the last mile delivery process. The next point is data analysis via EDI for efficiency. By using electric data interchange (EDI), FedEx is able to collect and analyze critical data from EV trials, which shows them to optimize delivery schedule and ensure the green technology is used as efficiently as possible. Now is the green initiatives by Swift Haulage Berhad. First, Swift Haulage Berhad is the first to adopt electric trucks in the region, or in the Southeast Asia region. Swift Haulage has taken a major lead in sustainable transport by becoming the first logistics provider in Malaysia and Southeast Asia to introduce heavy-duty electric trucks into their commercial fleet. Next is establishment of a specialized green division. The company has set up a dedicated green logistics division that focuses on researching and implementing eco-friendly strategies, ensuring that sustainability is integrated into every part of their supply chain management.
Next is compare of green logistic practice of a global company versus a local company. Now I will compare two company. First one is FedEx Malaysia. It is a global company. Second is Swiss Haulage Berhad. It is a local company. First point is scale of sustainability initiative. FedEx Malaysia is a large-scale global environmental programs. This company operates in many countries, so it invests heavily in green technology and policy across its entire network. For example, FedEx Malaysia use electric delivery vans, sustainable aviation fuels, and global carbon neutral goals. In Swiss Haulage Berhad is a smaller localist initiative. The company focused on practical solutions within Malaysia due to limited budget and scale. For example, Swiss Haulage Berhad optimizing delivery routes to reduce fuel usage and emissions. Second point is technology adoption. In FedEx Malaysia, this company advanced green technology. The company has strong financial resources to invest in innovation. For example, AI routes, optimization, electric trucks, automated warehouses. In Swiss Haulage Berhad is a basic or graduate technology adoption. Technology is adopted slowly due to cost constraints. For example, GPS tracking systems and fuel-efficient vehicles.
For the green logistic practice, the key lesson from both company. First, Swiss Haulage Berhad can learn from FedEx Malaysia by investing more in EV technology, setting clear long-term goals, and improving their image as a green company. On the other hand, FedEx Malaysia can learn from Swiss Haulage how to achieve better cost efficient, gain a deeper understanding of the local market, and create more flexible operation. Green logistics is important for the future. Both companies are working on it, but at the different levels. However, the key challenge is balancing cost and sustainability. In the future, the success of green logistics depends on technology, government support, and company commitment. Therefore, green logistics is not a choice but a necessity.